Question number 1. The stem and leaf plot shows the number of books loaned out by the library each day over the past 2 weeks. Which of the following is true? The mean of the data is 32. The median of the data is 25. The mode of the data is 5. The range of the data is 36. So one of the things I always suggest is that we write things out, write all the values out. And so I'm looking at my first value is just a 3 because the 0 in the stem. So that's 3. Then I have 1, 2, 3 15s. Then 21, 25. And then 39. So I know it's asking for my mean, median, mode, and range. So remember I told you in class that we always start looking, I work kind of like from the easiest to the hardest to do. And so one of the first things that's easy to do is look for the mode. The mode is the number that repeats the most or the most frequent. In this case I have 3 15s. So my mode should be 15. They have 5, so that is incorrect. The reason why they put 5 is because of the fives and the leaf part of the table, and to try to confuse you, but it is 15. So my mode was 15. The next one I go to range. Remember, our range is our maximum, 39, minus our minimum. So 39 minus 3 would give me 36. And it says the range is 36, so that is probably my answer. Let's go ahead and do the median and to make sure that the median is not 25. So remember our median, of course, is our middle number, our middle value. Uh, Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So my middle number is going to have 3 on one side. So these 3 and 3 on the other side. So 15 is my median. That's my median. And so then that makes the median is not 25, it's actually 15. Uh, and then, so they say the mean is 32. Remember, to find the mean, we would add up all the values and we would divide by how many values there is. So in this case, we divide by 7. But remember, we talked about, well, let's just look at our values to kind of have an idea of what our mean would be. Um, and here it's saying that the mean is 32. So 32 would fall right here. That would be the value 32. As you can see, the majority of our values are less than 32. Um, and so it'd be very hard pressed to make that the mean would be equal to 32 when all of our values are are less than 32. Not even really, they're not even close to 32. 3, 15, 21, they're all more than 10 away from 32. So the mean cannot be 32 at this point. So the correct answer was D.